Here are the steps on how to add an update to your Google Business profile. So go ahead and take your smartphone, open the Google Maps app, and in the bottom right, click on the business icon. Once there, make sure you have the correct profile selected if you have more than one. And then in the middle, you'll notice it says more. So we're going to click on more. That gives us these additional options. And then the bottom row, you'll see where it says add an update. That's what we're looking for. So click on that. Now this is the update page where you're going to do all the information that you're going to post for your update. You can add a photo or a video. You can add your copy text in here. And we always recommend that it is search engine optimized copy so that you get the best interaction from the algorithm to be put in front of the right people. And then a final pro tip is down here at the bottom. If you toggle on the add an action button, it gives you different call to action options that you can use. Perhaps you want phone calls. Maybe you want people to go to your online store or book a calendar event with you. So those are all options there, and use those to drive more customers to your business. Once you have all that set up, simply click publish in the bottom right and you're finished.